Okay, family, I just wanted to share this helicopter with you. It's about to take off. This is another way that people can view New York. I want to call these the first drones of New York City. This is how they would view from the sky. And you can pay to take a helicopter ride. I don't think I would ever do that though. Nah, I'm good. Okay, there it goes. Nope. Would you come to New York and get on a helicopter? You see how, there's no way in the world. Nah, I need something heavier. That thing looked like paper in the wind. I'm good. I need to get out. Sometimes I don't care how cold it is. In Manhattan, things are moving, period. And if they're moving, I need to be moving too. Now, this C streak, not quite sure where they go. I'll wait until it gets a little bit warmer and then I'll take a trip and then I'll share that with you. In the meantime, my hands are cold. I'm putting it back in my pocket and I'm setting on my way. Peace and love.